I'm sure, friends, when you hear this Partha excellent tool of management control by late Sri Ghanshyam Das Birla ji, as General Saab has very rightly said, I'm sure you must be thinking that I'm going to take another half an hour to explain to you as to what Partha system is and how to use it in business. Let me tell you, it is not at all that way. It is a very, very simple tool that was developed by late Sri Ghanshyam Das Birla ji, and all the Birla Group companies world over practice Partha. Not only all the Birla Group companies practice Partha, but all the Marwadi companies also would practice Partha for controlling the business. Now, you must be wondering, in this term called Padta here, there must be some meaning for P, some meaning for A, some meaning for R, some meaning for T, and some meaning for A. Let me tell you, there is nothing of that sort. What is Padta? Padta simply means Ghanshyam Das Birla ji, he would have a meeting of all his top people before the start of a year or before implementation of a project. He would have a meeting with the all top people and would ask them, please find out this product that we are making, how much it is going to cost us. Do complete analysis, do not leave anything, come to a firm conclusion as to how much this product will cost us in manufacturing. Now, this meeting he will have, and similarly, in case if they are implementing a new project, capital expenditure, again, he will have a discussion with the top team. Ask them, do complete analysis and come and tell me as to how much this project is going to cost 10 crore, 20 crore, 30 crore, 40 crore, and exactly precisely. Once all these exercises are done, now Mr. Ghanshyam Das Birla ji will control the business. And how will he control the business? For the manufacturing, every day at the end of every day, the CFO CEO will need to send a report to Ghanshyam Das Birla ji wherever he may be. कि this product that we have made today, how much it has costed. यानी कि ये product, now I will have to this product, ये product हमको बनाने में कितने का पड़ा, ये प्रोडक्ट हमको बनाने में कितने का पड़ा, यानी कि ये हाउ मच ये प्रोडक्ट हमको बनाने में कितने का पड़ता है, कितने का पड़ता है और कितने का पड़ा है. दैट मीन्स इफ माई बजट, इफ माई टारगेट फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट वॉज 10 रुपीज़, am I incurring 10 rupees or am I incurring 10 rupees and 20 paisa? So if it costed me 10 rupees, the CFO and CEO can go home comfortably. If this product on that day manufacturing costed them 10 rupees and 20 paisa, then the CEO and CFO would need to do a lot of explaining. And that is what is meaning of पड़ता. कितने का पड़ता है, ये प्रोडक्ट हमें बनाने में कितने का पड़ता है और उतने का पड़ा कि नहीं पड़ा. That is what Partha system is. And same is for the capex. So if the project is going to cost us 10 crore, remember Birla ji is going to monitor it that this project cost should not go more than 10 crore. And that monitoring Birla ji will do on daily basis. And that is the best tool of management control that you can ever have. Please remember what we do today. We look at the balance sheet once in a year. We look at the P&L maybe every month or every quarter. The concept of Birla ji is, if the disease is today, the cure also has to be today. A disease which has already taken 30 days, remember, the cure is going to take long time, and plus the loss and the damage that would the organization would have suffered is going to be huge. And that is what Partha is all about. So friends, with this I come to the end of my session. You can please go back to your expectations and the points that you had mentioned in the chat box. In case if you find something is missing, I would take them, and otherwise we will close the session.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, with that we have come to the close of this particular session. Please note down his email number as well as the as
have a question in the chat.
Okay, you can please read it out.
All right, I
Yeah.
have to find it.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we have already finished with our question, with our time. You have got his email, you have got his mobile. Please go ahead with that. We are already 6 minutes into the. Sorry.
All right. Okay.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pramod. Ladies and gentlemen, a little closing remark on my face. Yes, liquidity ratio is less than 1 in a few companies. I just had a quick reference just now. I saw in case of Hull, that is Hindustan Unilever, Nestle, and Bajaj Auto, right? The liquidity ratio hovering around 0.8, 0.73, and all that. It depends on what industry you are, what's your policy, how good your working capital management is. Mr. Pramod, thank you very much for giving an extremely insightful, exposure to the participants on, the most important particular session on financial management. Ladies and gentlemen, have a quick break for about 8 minutes and be here exactly 8 minutes later. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pramod.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rohan.
Thank you, Pramod ji. Thank you.
We'll stay in touch offline. Thank you.
Thank you.